Hello friends, welcome to the Mind Test Tech YouTube channel. My name is Prince and this is our 12th JavaScript lecture. And in this lecture, we will study about the confirm box in JavaScript. That what is that confirm box, what is the use of confirm box and how to use the confirm box in JavaScript. So let us start friends. So friends, confirm box is a dialog box in JavaScript which is used to take the permission before performing the action friends. You can guess the idea from its name, that is confirm. That is confirming anything before performing any action friends. Now let us see how to write that code in the JavaScript. So you have to write here the confirm, that is the confirm box, that is the confirm, and the bracket, and in the double quotes you have to write here the permission message like that. Do you want to visit google.com? Want to visit google.com? And then that. Okay, do you want to visit google.com? And then a semicolon friends. Now it is a confirm box friends. Now control plus S. Now open that file, double click on that. Now you can see here that a confirm box has been come and it is showing us a message, that is the do you want to visit google.com. And also you can see here that there are two buttons. One is OK button and second is cancel button friends. And these two buttons containing the boolean value friends. Like if you press OK, then it will return the true value, and if you press cancel, then it will return the false value friends. Okay, now let us see how. If you press OK, it will return nothing now. Okay, now let us see how it works friends, how it returns the true and false value friends. So for that you have to give it a variable, that is the variable a is equals to confirm. So the value of the confirm box will be stored onto that variable a. Now we just have to print that variable. So we have to write here the document.write method, document.write, and in that I have to call here the variable, that is the a. Okay, now s. Now control plus s and then now control plus r. Now it is asking us that please press OK or cancel. Now if I press OK, then you can say that it is returning a value, that is the true friends. Okay, that is a true because OK is containing the true value friends. Okay, now again control plus R and then press cancel. Now you can see here that it is showing us the value, that is the false friends. So OK contain the true value and cancel contain the false value friends. Okay, so that's about it friends. Okay, now what we want, the main concept has to be start friends. Focus on that, the main use of the confirm box. Like here, like do you want to visit google.com? Like if you press OK, then we should visit to the google.com website, and if you press OK cancel, then it's showing a message, that is the you press the cancel button friends. Like here, like if a is equal to true means that we have pressed the OK button friends. Like if a is equal to true, then it should redirect to the google.com website. So for that we have to use here the open box method, that is the open and then the bracket, and in the double quotes we have to write the address or the IP address of the google.com friends. So you have to write here the address, that is the https and then the colon and then the double slash and then the google.com. You can write here any website like the yahoo.com. You can open any website, like anything website that you want to open. So now I'm going to open the google.com and then the semicolon. So we have to use here the open, right? The open and the bracket. In that the bracket we have to write here the address of the google.com friends, right? So if a is true, that is if you press OK, then google.com website should be opened. Else if you press cancel button, then a message should show, that is the document.write, and then we have to give here the message, that is the oops, you pressed the cancel button, oops, you pressed cancel button. That's about it, and then the semicolon friends. Now control plus S and then now control plus R. Now you can see that click OK. Now you can see that it is redirecting us to the google.com website friends. Okay, now again refresh. If I press cancel button, then you can see that it is showing us the message, that is the oops, you pressed cancel button friends. Okay, so this is the use of the confirm box friends. You can redirect any website from there by the use of that confirm box friends. So it is enough for today. In our next lecture we will study about the very important concept of the JavaScript, that is the functions in the JavaScript. So if you like my video, then subscribe my channel, share my channel, also press the bell icon so that the notification of my all the new videos will show to the notification bar of your mobile phone. So thank you, take care, bye bye.